Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for any Roblox player. How to boost your FPS in 2025. If you're tired of laggy gameplay ruining your sessions, you're in the right place. FPS, or frames per second, measures how smoothly your game runs, and with Roblox's growing graphics demands, optimizing it is easier than you think. Let's jump right in. First off, start by updating your graphics drivers. These are the software that helps your computer handle games like Roblox. Head to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This simple step can give you an instant FPS boost by fixing bugs and improving performance. Next, close any unnecessary background applications. Apps like web browsers, music players, or even antivirus software can hog your system's resources. Use your task manager to shut them down before launching Roblox. You'll free up CPU and RAM, leading to smoother gameplay. Now, tweak Roblox's in-game settings. Go to the Settings menu, and under Graphics, lower options like Shadow Quality, Texture Detail, and Rendering Scale. Roblox has a Performance preset that you can select. It's designed for better FPS without sacrificing too much visuals. Also, enable full screen mode instead of windowed, as it can reduce overhead. Don't forget about your computer's hardware. Make sure your PC meets Roblox's recommended specs for 2025, which include at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent processor. If you're on a laptop, plug it in and adjust power settings to high performance to avoid throttling. Another pro tip: clear your temporary files and cache. Over time, these build up and slow down your system. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool on Windows or a similar feature on Mac to keep things running clean. Finally, if you're still struggling, consider overclocking your CPU or GPU, but only if you're comfortable. It's advanced and can void warranties. Always monitor temperatures to avoid damage. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Roblox FPS. Give them a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.